Guys, good morning. I promised to make a video on how to make your Naira ad fly, like fly. So it's a very simple thing. There are some simple things that you won't know and you find it very, very difficult. So thank God for the delivery, the discovery. Anyway, so your daily budget doesn't have anything to do with initially when we were trying this Naira ad to make it fly. We usually when we put 5,000 naira, it's not still reaching out to people. We put 10,000, it will still be crawling. So a friend of mine had discovered that okay, this daily budget is not actually the problem. Now you could, if you are the type that you are doing $5 budget daily, you could just say okay, 367. I'm using a better exchange rate, 367 naira times 5, that is 1,835 naira. So you could use this. Sorry guys, you could use this as your daily budget. Now this is where your targeting does not affect the reach. Now your targeting, do whatever targeting you normally do. Now this place where we have optimization and delivery. Now I'm doing a page like ad. I'm promoting a page. So yours could be that you're doing a conversion ad, you're doing a link click ad or whatever. So what you do here is this cost control optional. Don't leave it vacant. Don't leave it open. As you can see, this is how it usually appears, like this. So don't leave it vacant. You could start with, if you want your ad to fly, like if you want your ad to reach out to thousands of people within few seconds, within few minutes, you could start with 5,000. Now this, making this place 5,000 doesn't mean your daily budget is 5,000 naira. No, once you finish spending this 1,000, this $5 here, your ad will automatically stop. This optimization for delivery is what actually makes your Naira ad fly. Now if you for instance, now if you want to compare what I just said, now you could run two ads. You could put 5,000 naira here on one account, then put 10,000 naira or 15,000 naira on another account here, and you will see the difference. You see the reach at the same time. You will see the reach of the two accounts. So you could start with 5,000. There are sometimes, if my ad is converting and I want it to reach out to thousands of people, I will just come here and make it 10,000 naira. If I want to scale very high, I could make it 10,000 naira here. Then I'll change this place. Maybe I want to change it to like $10 or $20. I'll just convert and change as well. You also know that this daily budget also affects your potential reach as well. And so you could increase that. But the reason why your ad is not moving is because you're not putting this cost control that is optional. Even in the dollar account is there. If you put these two in the dollar account, it's also fly higher. But in this Naira account, this is self-delivery that we've made. Change this place starting from 5,000 naira, and you will see the difference you would get in your Naira ad. That's all. There's no big deal about this Naira ad stuff. Just try it, then give us your feedback on what you got. Like, I've just told you I've just uncovered what me and my friends discovered. So I didn't talk about teaching you how to run Facebook ad or how to do targeting and all that. So just do your thing, then get back to me on your result. Thanks, guys.